49 to the power x equals x to the power 14. Let's get on with our solution. You have 49 to the power x equals x to the power 14. To start with, we need to know what is required of us. We are finding the value of x in this equation. There is x at the left hand side, there is x at the right hand side. At the left hand side, x is an exponent or a power. At the right hand side, x is a base. So what do we do? First of all, we need to move the variable, which is x, to one side of the equation. So to start with, we must get rid of the x over here. And now, after that, we get rid of the number over here. How do you get rid of the x at the left hand side? To do that, this is a power of x. To move the x here, we take the power of all of this to 1 over x, which is going to give us 49 to the power of x, then all raised to the power 1 on x. Do the same thing to the right hand side. X to the power 14, 1 over x. From here, I have 49 to the power x, all raised to the power 1 over x, equals x to the power 14, all raised to the power 1 over x. Now this x will take care of this x, leaving 49 to the power 1, which is the same as 49. And at the right hand side, I have x to the power 14 all on x, because 14 multiply 1, that is 14 over x. So now, as you can see at the left hand side, the variable is gone. Now we must get rid of the number at the right hand side, which is 14. And how do we do that? We continue to take the power of, so over here, 49 to the power 1 over 14 equals x 14 all 1 over 14. So I have 49 raised to the power 1 on 14 equals x raised to the power 14 over x, all raised to the power 1 on 14. Now we are doing this so that you can get rid of the 14 here. So now 14 can take care of the 14 over here, which is now giving us 49 1 on 14 equals x raised to the power 1 over x. So as you can see, there's no variable at the left hand side, there's no number at the right hand side. From this, 49 can be written as 7 to the power 2. That is for 49. All raised to the power 1 on 14 equals x raised to the power 1 on x. We continue. From here, this is the same as 2 over 14. That is a raised to the power m, all raised to the power n is the same as a raised to the power m n. So with this, I have 7 raised to the power 2 on 14 equals x raised to the power 1 on x. 2 on 14 is the same as 1 over 7, which is giving us x to the power 1 on 7 equals x to the power 1 on x. From here, what can we see? The base is equal to the base, the power is equal to the power. No matter which one we are taking, we can say that x is equal to 7 or 1 over x is equal to 1 over 7.